First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. To design a poster, start by deciding what the poster is for. It could be a business promotion, event announcement, product advertisement, motivational message, or social media campaign. Once you have an idea, open the image generation area and start writing your prompt. Describe the main subject of the poster first. Then explain the text you want to include, the visual style, colors, background, layout, and overall mood. For example, you could ask for a professional music event poster with the headline Live Music Night, a modern concert stage in the background, dramatic lighting, bold typography, dark colors, and a premium promotional design. When including text, make sure you clearly specify the exact wording you want. Next, review the available generation settings. Choose an aspect ratio that matches where you plan to use the poster. A portrait format can work well for printed posters and social media posts, while other formats may be better for different platforms. Now start generating the poster. When Ideogram AI creates the results, compare the different variations. Check the text carefully for spelling and accuracy. Then look at the layout, colors, subject, spacing, and overall visual balance. If something doesn't look right, improve your prompt and generate another version. You can change the typography style, background, colors, lighting, subject placement, or other visual elements. Once you find a strong design, use any available editing or remixing features to refine it. Before downloading, review the entire poster at full size and make sure the important information is readable. You can then save or download the final design and, if necessary,